Oh, 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 oh. What's out there? Was something wild? I'm not destined to find out, but I will be destined to find out what it is. Let me get out of bed first. Okay, to find out what that sound is. You know what? I'm getting really tired walking around in circles. I'm thinking of a plan to figure out what that sound is, and I will not stop to find out what it is. Right after I change my panties. Well, it took a while, but my diarrhea problem was settled. Also, I wrote a statement about the noise. Could be aliens or something, but I'm desperate for answers, and this could be my answer. Hello, aliens. I'm a non-binary homosexual male named Redu. I come in peace. I advise you to take the racket down if you're the ones making it. Once again, I come in peace. Ah, scared. Why are you calling me? What is this? Something important. Do you want to suck on my brain? Ha! My snoring. What was the last time I snored? Oh. Oh yeah, that's snoring. Oh, I'm sorry for disturbing your three ships. Hey, maybe it would sound good. Maybe you guys can have a party down here on Earth. Oh, I see. Hey, how did you know my name? No, wait, don't leave. I got so much questions. I guess Saturday is my silver ministry. Oh well, time to go back and sleep. Oh. 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 Oh.